Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Apex Legends gaming account for enhanced security and access to all features, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Launch Apex Legends on your gaming platform, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, and ensure you're connected to the internet. Step 2. Log in to your EA account that's linked to Apex Legends. If you don't have an EA account, you'll need to create one through the game or at ea.com. Step 3. Visit ea.com on your web browser and log in to your EA account using the same credentials you use for Apex Legends. Step 4. Navigate to your EA account security settings by clicking on your profile icon and selecting EA account and billing from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Check your email inbox for a verification message from EA if you just created your account. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your email address. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, go to your EA account settings and look for an option to resend the verification email. Step 7. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced account security. This is highly recommended to protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 8. Choose your two-factor authentication method, either email verification or an authenticator app. If using an app, download Google Authenticator or a similar app on your smartphone. Step 9. Follow the prompts to complete two-factor authentication setup. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on your screen and enter the generated code to link your account. Step 10. Once email verification and two-factor authentication are complete, your Apex Legends account is fully verified and secured. You can now enjoy all game features with improved account protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.